My name is Afif Mabubulo.
Arneta Kamalia,
Dela Intania,
Dian Vida,
Eka Desi,
and Garindra Farsha. Here we want to make a fruit soup.
Enjoy the video! Firstly, we will prepare material and tools. For the fruit, we use dragon fruit, watermelon, and apples. And also we use basil seed and make it more interesting. For the syrup, we use a condensed milk, mineral water, and marjan syrup. And for the toast, we use a larger bowl for the fruit soup container, a knife to cut the fruit, a ladle to stir for the fruit soup, and a cutting board is used for cutting. Okay guys, we have prepared the tools and material. It's time for us to make fruit soup. Let's go!
First of all, you must prepare the fruit and then wash until clean. After that, clean the skin of the fruit.
Next, cut the fruit into small squares or according to taste, and put the fruit in the bowl. After the fruit is ready, take all the fruit, put it in a bowl. Next, prepare the bowl for making a syrup. Put the sweet condensed milk, and marjan syrup into the bowl. Add a little water. And let's mix. After that, put all the fruits into a bowl that already contains syrup. Finally, add ice cube and basil seed to make it more interesting and fresh. Mix well. And fruit soup is ready to drink. So, this is the fruit soup that we have made. It tastes good, fresh, and healthy. Very suitable to drink during the day. Thank you. I hope this recipe for making fruit soup is useful and good luck.
Wassalamualaikum